In this video, I will teach you how to create and add an activity totals card to your records in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to navigate to the Object Record Customization. Head over and click onto the settings or gear icon onto your top right, and from in there, onto the left sidebar, locate objects. Scroll down to locate it, and after you have done that, you can just choose what kind of object you want. It can be contacts, companies, leads, deals, or tickets. For example, let's choose right here our contacts so we can get its record customization. Now just wait for this right here and you can find it. Now once you have selected it, choose which activity types to track, such as emails and the likes right there. So click on record customization first, and then you can see this right here. And then from in there, you can see this. So you can just choose right here a theme view that you want, as well as default view. If you want, you can also create a new theme view, such as emails, calls, and meetings that you would like to track based on the contacts that we have. In there, you can just edit the layout however you want. Choose right here the time range, add the card right there, and also just customize it according to your liking. So you can just add the card to the layout right there, and once you're done, just head over and save and exit. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.